In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix attachments not showing up in Outlook. So here I am in Outlook application and I have this email with attachments. But if I go ahead and click on the attachment, it's not showing up immediately. So there's always this warning right here that you should only preview files from a trustworthy source. And then I can click the preview file right here so that I can show or view the attachment here. So if you want to remove that warning sign whenever you open attachments, what we can do is that we can go to the file, go to options from here, go to Trust Center, go to the Trust Center settings, and then from here, go to attachment handling, and then we need to turn off the check mark for turn off attachment preview. So just leave that turned off and then click OK. So now when we go ahead and click on the attachment, it should now display immediately. So we don't need to see the warning sign anymore. So now when I click on Excel, it opens immediately as well. And then what you can also do is that you need to make sure that all of your emails are displayed in HTML. So because of if it is displayed in plain text, it will not show the attachments as well. So just go to File, go to Options from here, go to Mail, and then make sure that the composed messages in this format are set to HTML, and then that way all of the emails will be previewed in HTML so that you don't have any problems in the attachments. And that is basically it. So if you're still having problems showing the attachments in Outlook, what you can do is that you can go ahead and repair the Outlook application itself. To do that, just go to Search and then go right here to Install Applications. Click this and your Windows in the search bar. Here is my Outlook, and then we can go to the Advanced Options. From here, we need to close Outlook first, scroll down here, then we can use the Repair button and just click Repair. And then when you open Outlook, it should now be fixed. So if it's still not working, what you can do is reset Outlook, but keep in mind that the application's data will be deleted. But don't worry, all you need to do is that you just need to log into your Outlook account again so that you can access your emails. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix attachments not showing up in Outlook. I hope you learned something new today, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.